This is a very dramatic experiment to demonstrate the expansion of air. You will require a glass bottle, some water and a coin for it. First take the glass bottle and pour some cold water in it. And now shake the cold water and pour out the water. Basically you make the bottle cool. Rinse it with cold water. Now take the coin and dip it in water and place it on the mouth of the bottle. The water will ensure that the mouth is sealed. Now with your both hands, just cup the bottle. Because your hands will be warm, the air inside the bottle will expand and you can see the coin going pop, pop. This is more like the valve in a steam cooker. Once the pressure inside is more, the coin gets up, rises a little bit and allows the hot air to escape. This is an experiment which costs very little money, and it's a very dramatic experiment to demonstrate the expansion of air.